Precision meets versatility. Baseus mice deliver high-performance tracking, smart connectivity, and ergonomic comfort, whether you're working, gaming, or multitasking across devices. Here are the top 3 Baseus mouse models that bring quality, flexibility, and value to your setup. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 3, Baseus F01B mouse. Comfort, precision, and silence come together in this sleek tri-mode wireless mouse that turns everyday navigation into a seamless experience. Designed for professionals and students alike, it combines cutting-edge connectivity with ergonomic craftsmanship, ensuring productivity without distraction. Its design philosophy revolves around simplicity and efficiency. Every curve, button, and texture is engineered to fit perfectly in your hand, reducing fatigue and promoting natural movement even during long work sessions. Whether you're scrolling through presentations, editing documents, or navigating creative software, it responds with precision and comfort in every motion. At the core of its performance lies the versatile triple-mode connection system. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, Bluetooth 3.0, and a 2.4 GHz wireless receiver, it gives you the freedom to switch between devices effortlessly. Move from your laptop to tablet or desktop with a simple toggle. No cables, no lag, and no repairing required. The advanced 20-meter stable transmission range keeps your connection smooth even in large conference rooms or classrooms, offering consistent low-latency performance that rivals wired mice. Silence is another hallmark of this design. The whisper-quiet buttons drastically reduce mechanical clicking noise, allowing you to work late at night or in shared spaces without disturbing anyone. Every press feels soft and satisfying, with just enough tactile feedback to maintain precision and control. Paired with an adjustable DPI system that offers 800, 1200, and 1600 levels of sensitivity, it lets you adapt instantly to different tasks, from pixel-perfect design work to everyday browsing. The 250 Hz response frequency ensures every movement registers instantly, making it ideal for both office multitasking and light creative work. Beyond its technology, the mouse's lightweight 90-gram body and smooth matte finish offer a premium tactile experience. Crafted from durable ABS material, it resists smudges and maintains a sleek look even after long use. Its subtle ergonomic contour cradles the palm naturally, reducing wrist strain and enhancing long-term comfort. Universally compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Harmony OS, Linux, and more, it integrates seamlessly into any setup. Powered by a single AA battery, it's energy efficient enough to last for months of use before needing replacement. Compact, elegant, and incredibly functional, this wireless mouse is more than a tool. It's a companion that keeps pace with your productivity and style, wherever you work or travel. Pros: silent clicks, ergonomic grip, stable connection, multi-mode support. Cons: battery needed, no RGB lighting. Number 2. Baseus F02 mouse. Comfort, control, and silence define this advanced wireless mouse, designed for those who demand both precision and peace in their workspace. Built with an emphasis on ergonomics and functionality, it transforms everyday computer use into a smoother, quieter experience. From the moment you rest your hand on its contoured body, the carefully sculpted design supports your palm and fingers naturally, reducing tension during long working hours. Whether you're drafting documents, editing images, or browsing the web, every motion feels effortless and fluid. Equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 and 2.4 GHz dual connectivity, it offers unmatched stability and instant pairing across multiple devices. You can switch between your laptop, tablet, and desktop with ease, maintaining a fast, uninterrupted connection no matter where you work. The wireless performance remains steady even from a distance, eliminating annoying dropouts and lag that can slow you down. This reliability, paired with energy efficiency, makes it ideal for both home and office environments. One of its most distinctive features is the silent button system. Engineered for noise reduction below 30 decibels, each click is whisper quiet, allowing you to focus in meetings, libraries, or shared workspaces without disturbing others. Despite the silence, the tactile response remains crisp and accurate, ensuring your productivity never skips a beat. Combined with 3 adjustable DPI levels, it gives you complete control over cursor sensitivity, perfect for fine design tasks, fast-paced browsing, or detailed editing work. Adding a layer of convenience, the intelligent one-click-to-home button lets you instantly return to your desktop by minimizing all open windows, a simple yet powerful feature that improves workflow efficiency. The 7 thoughtfully placed buttons provide versatile control while maintaining an intuitive feel under your fingers. Whether you're navigating large spreadsheets or managing multiple tabs, the layout enhances your speed and precision with minimal effort. Its matte finish offers a soft, comfortable grip that prevents slipping during extended use, while the ergonomic curvature fits both large and small hands naturally. Lightweight yet durable, it includes a free mousepad, making it a complete set ready for immediate use. Compatible with Windows, macOS, and most modern systems, it connects effortlessly without the need for extra drivers. Sleek, silent, and supremely comfortable, this wireless mouse is not just a tool, but a refined extension of your workspace, designed to elevate every click into a smooth and silent experience. Pros: silent operation, ergonomic shape, dual connectivity, smart shortcut. Cons: no RGB lights. Number 1, and the winner is Baseus BS-007 Pro mouse. Innovation meets sophistication in this advanced wireless mouse, built to revolutionize the way you work and create. Crafted for professionals who value precision, comfort, and smart functionality, it combines modern design with cutting-edge technology to deliver a seamless, efficient, and intuitive user experience. Lightweight yet powerful, it feels like an extension of your hand, elegant in form, effortless in movement, and loaded with intelligent features that elevate productivity to a whole new level. Engineered with dual-mode connectivity, this mouse supports both Bluetooth 5.1 and 2.4 GHz wireless transmission, offering smooth, lag-free performance across multiple devices. You can switch instantly between modes to connect to laptops, tablets, or desktops without interruption. Its 10-meter transmission range ensures reliable freedom of movement, perfect for presentations, creative tasks, or office multitasking. The integrated rechargeable battery delivers more than 70 hours of continuous use, making it a dependable partner for demanding workdays or extended travel. One of its standout innovations is the OLED digital display, a refined feature that brings visibility and control right to your fingertips. It displays real-time battery level, DPI settings, and connection mode, ensuring you always stay informed without needing any additional software. This display complements its 5-level DPI adjustment system, which allows sensitivity settings from 800 up to 4000, ideal for everything from delicate photo editing to fast web navigation. The report rate adjusts automatically between 133 Hz on Bluetooth and 250 Hz on 2.4 GHz for smooth responsiveness across platforms. Ergonomically sculpted, the mouse follows the natural curve of your palm, providing a comfortable grip that reduces strain even during long sessions. Its horizontal scroll function and dual-mode wheel feedback make multitasking smoother and more intuitive, while the 2 customizable side buttons allow you to assign shortcuts for maximum workflow efficiency. Designed for quiet operation, it keeps click sounds below 35 decibels, maintaining focus in shared or quiet environments. Built with high-quality ABS and PC materials, the mouse combines durability with an ultra-modern finish available in elegant colors like stellar white, lunar gray, and natural green. Every detail, from its balanced 80-gram weight to its silky smooth glide, reflects thoughtful craftsmanship. Universally compatible across Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android systems, it adapts to any workspace or device setup with ease. With its blend of intelligent design, silent precision, and long-lasting power, this mouse isn't just a productivity tool. It's a refined piece of technology designed to complement your workflow and enhance every interaction. Pros: OLED display, dual connectivity, long battery life, quiet operation. Cons: slightly pricey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.